Do you know how important it is to change your air cabinet filter for your car? Hey there, I'm Denise from Car Gear Guru. Today, we're going to replace an air cabinet filter on a 2014 Audi Q7, which can be the same for Q7 from year 2008 till 2015. It's really important to replace the air cabinet filter at least once every year. This keeps the air quality inside your car good and making sure you and your passengers breathe clean air. It's a small step that can make a big difference in your driving experience. It's an easy DIY that can save you some money and improve your air's quality. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the right filter. Here's a part numbers for various models. Price ranges from $10 to $35, so pick one that suits your budget. Replacing the air cabinet filter, you'll need a few tools for this job. A socket, specifically a 5.5mm metric or 732 inch, and a small impact wrench or ratchet. I'll be using an impact wrench because it's a bit more fun. Let's get to it. The filter is located under the glove box. We'll start by removing this cover just by pulling it out. Then you will slide out this wire. See these two screws? You will have to unscrew them to locate the air cabinet filter. Then we will slide out our cover. Then you will locate the air cabinet filter. Oh, look how dirty it is. Then slide the new air cabinet filter in. Then you are going to place the lid back on. Now we are going to reverse of what we just did. Then you will get your cover. Don't forget to slide the wire back in. Then you are going to pop it back. And voila, we're done. If I can do it, so can you. I hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!